you come to work with a problem, you will not be able to treat your patient in a manner that you should. It's a request that we are making. Can we please not do that? Those of us, and ngiyazi ukuthi abekho la abakwenzayo. Abekho la kuthini. Those of us abakwenzayo kuma facilities ethu. We are not saying go and report them. Don't be a snitch. Kodwa, that person needs help. That person needs help. And the more you turn a blind eye, the more patients will die because you were not able to intervene. But there are patients that are going to die. That health worker oyithanda kakhulu izoxosha emsebenzini ngoba ifika emsebenzini idakiwe. No one will defend them, not even the unions. Not even the unions will be able to do so. So we are making a request yokuthi asibambisane. Where you know that a colleague has a problem, we are there. I have decided that we have a program of supporting health workers that is both clinical psychologists that are there, that is clinical. We also have brought in Abu Chaplain, Umfundisi Dube is also one of them. Because we know some people are uncomfortable talking to their fellow colleagues, but you'll be more willing to talk to your pastor, reverend, and so forth. So we've got these two programs running in our facilities. And if this program, ayikho facility yako, please tell me so that I deal with the matter as quickly as possible. Okay, because it's very important so that we balance the health work ethic in our facilities.